Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Steam application on your mobile device. If you want to access your Steam games and account from your mobile device, then in this quick and safe tutorial, you will learn exactly how. First of all, go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the Steam application from Valve Corporation. Now once you have the app installed, tap on the app icon to open it up. You will immediately end up in the sign-in screen, which is the main screen. Now here, enter your login details. Type in your Steam username and password in the text boxes. Make sure to type them in correct, and then click on the sign in button. If you need help signing in, if you've forgotten your password, then you can tap on I need help signing in link and follow through the instructions. If you have your credentials correct, simply tap sign in, and then you will need to go ahead and authenticate your login. Go ahead and open up your email inbox associated with your Steam account. You will receive an email from Steam support. Tap on it to open up and then copy the code inside it. Paste in the code back on the Steam application and then click on sign in. And there you have successfully logged into your Steam account using the Steam application on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you can now chat with friends, check your game library, browse the Steam store, access account settings, and much more. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more safe, beginner-friendly tech and gaming guides. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments and see you in the next tutorial.